下一站，中国广东。
My name is Sebastian Tosi. I'm from Argentina. I came to China in 2012. I have been living here for the past 10 years with my family. Well, I was in Europe before, and back in the day, we have this subprime problem, so all the banking industry was not doing well. And my father, who has been in Guangzhou since 2001, called me and invited me to get to know China. He said something like, stop with finance and come and get to know the real economy, how the world really works. For Argentinians, having a barbecue or making a barbecue for our friends is part of our culture. So one day we did sausages for our friends, they liked it, and then came up the idea of doing sausages for restaurants on just WeChat. On WeChat we developed our mini program. Well, at the moment we have around 2,000 customers. In our mini app you will find how to defrost the meat, how to cook it. Truth to be told, I cannot think about any better place in China to start with this kind of business. Cantonese people are very well known for being food connoisseurs. The way they eat cow meat in China was different. But then after the year 2000, you have a lot of people traveling around the world trying to understand different cultures, how we eat meat there, and they brought that concept back to China. Now you go to a restaurant, you have forks and knives, and you can eat meat the way we eat in other parts of the world, not necessarily with the chopsticks. So yes, it might have influence, but the roots, it's still very deep into Cantonese culture. Preparations and the way they think the dishes and stuff is influence for different chefs around the world, but the essence of the Cantonese food is still there. I don't think it changed, I think it got influenced, but keeping the essence intact.